Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this cordless angle grinder 20 volt from Parkside, the model PWSA 20Li F4. Bare unit only, battery and charger not included. Rated rotation speed from 2500 to 11,000 RPM. Tool holder M14 spindle lock. Disc size 125mm diameter. For metal, concrete, ceramic, tiles and more. Accessories included, compatible with all batteries in the X20 Volt Team series, with a 3 years warranty, designed in Germany. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Robust case. We have the manual included. And there's the tool. Here you can have your battery, first battery and second battery, no second battery. Oh yes, we can have the second battery here. And the charger here, so it will close very well, no problem. Here we have the handle with the key. It helps you to replace the disc. Soft grip. On-off switch. Slide right and front. And now it is continuous on. Press and off. Right and front. Off. And we have of course the speed control here. From 1 to 6. Soft grip, I like that. You can use it with one hand. You can use this adjustable handlebar at this position here. Or here. Or here. It depends how it is more convenient for you to work. And here we have the lock button for the disc. It locks. Then you can use this key and remove the disc. Replace the disc. That it locks. And of course you can adjust the guard. Nice. And then adjust the guard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions. I like it. And of course you can use the 8 ampere hours professional battery if you want. It is your choice. Or the 4 ampere hours battery. Professional again. I'm using professional batteries. If you want you can use the 4 ampere hours as is recommended on the instruction. The regular 4 ampere hours battery. I will use the 8 ampere hours. I like it, robust housing. I like the black and grey area here. And I think it's about time, let's move on. Cut the metal, see how well it's performing. But before that, let's give it a test here. First speed first. Second. 3, 4, 5, 6. And it stops after a few seconds. Of course, you can use it not only to cut metal, but with the right disc you can cut tiles, marble, stone, use it for sanding on metal or chiseling the wood, and more. But as we can see on my video, several times it was stuck and I had to remove it from the cutting area. So it doesn't have enough power, it is more for lightweight work. With the cost only 35 euros. If you don't have a battery and charger, then you need to give more. Thank you for watching. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.